I wanted to give a quick demo on ultrasound gel. Many manufacturers believe that the packaging directions are sufficient. However, products like the ultrasound gel are classified as a Class 2 medical device and requires a comprehensive IFU per FDA regulations. To address these gaps, we create a standard operating procedure, an SOP, for products like this ultrasonic gel or ultrasound gel, and provide complete instructions beyond the packaging instructions. If we look at the packaging instructions, which I'll show you in a second, they're not complete. It basically is just for the use of putting the gel on the product. So let's go ahead and look at this here. So I'm just going to simply type in ultrasound, if I can spell. I'm going to click search, and it'll display here. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on my manufacturer IFU. Because there isn't an IFU, it's going to pull in the SOP that we created. Now, we did speak with Medline, and we will be going over with them the requirements. We did send an email regarding the detailed requirements that are needed. Because when we're looking at the SOP we created, we have a procedure for handling and use. You have to inspect the bottle, make sure it's not damaged. You have to inspect it to make sure it's not expired. So there's a lot of steps that we put in the SOP that are not part of the product label. And again, Medline is considering the directions on the bottle the IFU. So again, we're working with them. As soon as we get results back from them, we will update you to let you know that they have either created the IFU or we'll get the FDA involved in order to get that IFU created. So again, the user simply will just put in, if they know the catalog number, great. If they know what they're looking for, they'll enter the full name or partial, and then they'll just go ahead and select the one that they're looking for. And again, click on the IFU. And again, it will display our SOP, but within the SOP, we do add in the ultrasound label. Again, it's the same workflow. It doesn't matter if they're looking for a piece of equipment and wanting to know what the requirements are for that equipment. So here I'm just looking at a sterilizer, and I just want to see what the schedule is for this. So I'm just going to click on schedule. So it's good for your biomed staff, any staff who's going to be using any manufacturer documentation. Now again, we validate the products that you have so that we can make sure that we have the most current IFU or manual. And in the event that there is not an IFU available, we then work as your partner with the manufacturer on creating and obtaining an IFU. Now, just to recap, I'm going to go ahead and type in ultrasound again here, just to show you how quickly that SOP comes up with the directions. So I'm looking at it here, it displays. I just want to see what the instructions are. I can click on this AI-driven button, which is going to go read the IFU. So it'll pull it into my window. Or I can simply click on the button and it's going to go out and bring that IFU or that SOP back.